Welcome to the VAST Theme Check-In. I'm Jessica, Checkfront Site Builder Specialist. While all Site Builder accounts come with awesome features like full mobile responsiveness and search-friendly pages to increase your visibility, each theme is a little bit different. The VAST theme was designed with rentals, vacation packages, and accommodations in mind. Let's have a look at a finished website before going over what you'll see while you're building your site. In this demo site, you can see a hero image, a square feature block, featured items block, and a gallery block. VAST also includes a quick cart option where visitors can click to see what items and parameters they've added to their cart, along with the subtotal. To make modifications or checkout, click the View Cart option. You'll also notice a date search bar that appears everywhere except the home page. This allows your visitors to search inventory by available date. Jumping back into the Site Builder editor, you'll notice VAST comes with two different colored presets. Change up your website's look by going into the design settings. Something that is unique to Dash is the ability to add category and page side menus. The categories menu will appear on your inventory and item pages and directs visitors to that category's page. The page menu helps visitors navigate to other pages or posts and appears on all pages using the post, page, and contact template. On mobile, the menu will stack below the page contents. Back on the editor's landing page, let's see what content blocks VAST offers. Its homepage is characterized by the ability to add text to the hero image. To benefit the most from this section of text, include keywords that you expect your customers will be searching for to help drive traffic to your site. The hero can also be configured to display text either centered or to the left and change the colored overlay. The date search block provides a place to search for specific start dates. The search will lead to your inventory page, filtering out for any items that are unavailable on that date. VAST Square Feature Block showcases up to 4 key ideas that include an image, title, description, and are hyperlinked to redirect your visitors someplace else. Both the date search and feature block are static to the top 2 blocks of the home template. VAST Gallery Block contains up to 6 images that can be scrolled through 2 at a time. To see a title and description for each image, visitors can hover over the photo or click to enter a full screen modal. VAST also has the ability to showcase or promote up to 4 items using the featured item block and include up to 3 sections of text using the testimonials block. The code block allows for extra flexibility. Advanced Site Builder users can code for things like special text or iframes to display YouTube videos. If you're not familiar with HTML or JavaScript code, try consulting Google to find some great resources. Similar to the static feature block, VAST Circle Feature Block displays up to 3 key ideas that include a small image, title, description, and hyperlinked button. However, it can be arranged in various locations. While the VAST theme does not include an Instagram block, you can link your Instagram to the footer of your website using Site Builder's connected services. While all themes can be configured to display a map on the item pages and contact page, Dash also includes a location map block that can be formatted to display up to 3 locations. Something special about the VAST theme is the ability to add any block to the bottom of your inventory, category, and contact pages. Additionally, any 2 blocks can be included on your item booking pages. Each site builder also comes equipped with a blog, Contact Us page, and ability to integrate your social media so that people can find out more about your business. This has been an introduction to the VAST theme. For more information on Site Builder, check out our knowledge base at support.checkfront.com or email our team and we'd be happy to help.